Okay, on this next example, we're going to be looking at simplifying some expressions through addition and subtraction. Now, what you're going to notice is, what you're going to want to look out for is terms that are like terms. So terms that have the same index and the same radicand. When we're working with rational exponents or radicals, in order for a term to be like, it has to have the same radicand and the same index. Okay, for example, if this was the fourth root of 10 plus the third root of 10, those would not be like terms because the indexes are not the same. So this is just like you've done previously when you've worked with square roots. Like if you remember in the past, you've done problems where you've taken like root 2 plus 3 root 2, and when you do that, all you're doing is you're counting up the number of root 2's that you have. You've got 1 root 2 plus 3 root 2's. 1 plus 3 is 4, so you have 4 root 2's. The same concept applies here, although you just have to remember, before you can combine them, you have to check and make sure that they are like terms. So here, because we do have a like term, we've got 1 fourth root of 10 plus 7 fourth root of 10. So 1 plus 7 gives us 8 fourth root of 10. We can't simplify this anymore. The same holds true. It doesn't always have to be in radical form. These right here, remember, 8 to the 1/5 power is just the fifth root of 8. So this problem looks just like the one we just did, except these are written in exponent form instead of radical form. So again, all you're doing right here is you're looking to make sure that your terms are like, so they've got the same exponent, so same base right here, and same exponent. So we've got 2 8 to the 1/5 powers plus 10 8 to the 1/5 powers. When we combine those, we just get 12 of them. 2 plus 10 is 12, and our like term is 8 to the 1/5 power. You don't change your like term, okay? You're just counting the number of those. Now, in C, you'll notice we don't have like terms yet. We can't just, this is not 52, or cube root of 52. We can't combine these until we have the same term, the like term. But however, you will notice, because you've been getting good at simplifying these, cube root of 54 is just the cube root of 27 times the cube root of 2. So when we think of it that way, when we simplify cube root of 27, just gives us 3 times the cube root of 2. So you'll see when we simplify one of these expressions, we can actually turn it into a term that does have a like term with our other one. So now we've got 3 cube root of 2's minus 1 cube root of 2's. And when we go ahead and we work that out, 3 cube root of 2 minus 1 cube root of 2 just gives us 2 cube root of 2. And that's it. It's just as simple as that. Things you want to watch out for are, again, making sure that when you are adding or subtracting, your terms are currently at like terms. So same index, same radicand, same base or exponent. If not, try to see if you can simplify, because a lot of times you'll find that you are able to simplify.